If you love noodles but not the calories, then this recipe is just for you. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am making one of my favorite quick healthy meals, a super tasty shirataki noodles stir fry that's extremely low in calories, low in carb but big on flavor with crunchy colorful veggies. So let's get started with this super quick, healthy and delicious shirataki noodles recipe. And here is my packet of shirataki noodles from the brand Urban Platter. Traditionally consumed in Japan, China and Southeast Asia, shirataki noodles, popularly known as konjac or miracle noodles, are extremely low in carbs and calories and are made from glucomannan, a type of fiber that comes from the root of the Asian konjac plant. They are long, white and translucent noodles with a slight chewy texture. And all the required instructions details are given in the packet. So first we will drain the water from the noodles and rinse them well with water. And to make my noodles even more healthy, delicious and filling, I will include some colorful veggies like shredded carrot, shredded cabbage, some onion juliennes, babycorns cut diagonally, red and green bell peppers, some roughly chopped garlic, bok choy or pak choy, as well as some sliced mushrooms. And now let's make a quick flavorful stir fry sauce. For that we'll take a bowl and into it goes a teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Next goes a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then this is my homemade chili garlic oil. We'll be adding a teaspoon of it. Now let's mix all the ingredients well. Our flavorful stir fry sauce is ready and now let's start with the cooking process. For that we'll heat around 1.5 teaspoon of vegetable oil in a wok. And when the oil is hot enough, we will add the roughly chopped garlic. We'll stir this for a few seconds until the color slightly changes. Next goes the sliced mushrooms, shredded cabbage, babycorns and onion juliennes. Let's stir them once. And I've added the cabbage and babycorn first, as these veggies take a bit longer time to get cooked compared to the rest of the veggies, which I will add later. Now let's add the pak choy or bok choy. We'll stir them once. And finally goes the shredded carrots and the red and green bell peppers. Now quickly season the veggies with some salt and black pepper as per taste. Let's mix the seasonings once. And now time to add the flavorful stir fry sauce which we had prepared earlier. Along with this goes a teaspoon of vinegar. And now we need to stir the sauce so that it's well combined with the veggies. Alright, now let's add the shirataki noodles. We'll stir the noodles along with the veggies for just a minute so that the flavors of the sauce is well incorporated with the noodles. And now just see how tempting it's looking. Translucent noodles with colorful veggies stir fried with a flavorful sauce. Finally, into this we will add some toasted sesame seeds. We'll give a final toss. And our keto-friendly, low-carb, low-calorie miracle noodles is now ready to be served and enjoyed hot. So friends, do try this healthy noodles recipe as they are low in calories, gluten-free, and perfect if you are on a fitness or weight loss journey. And if you enjoyed my today's recipe, then don't forget to like and share your feedbacks. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye-bye and take care.